Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino S espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here. And yeah, that's all we did to it. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test the whole machine. We're gonna be testing the frother, we're gonna be testing the grinder, pretty much everything of the machine in one shot. We're using water instead of milk. Unfortunately, we do not have milk. Wonderful color. Crema, we just mix it up with water, so still pretty good layer of crema, even though we did use a lot of water in there. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino is grinding once again. So thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.